What if I told you Warren Buffett has a dividend strategy for 2024, and you can initiate it with a mere $50? No high-flying stocks, no risky bets. Just solid, sustainable companies that reward you for owning them, even while you sleep, and it's accessible to everyone with just $50. So let's dive in. Imagine this. Waking up every morning to cash flowing straight into your bank account, thanks to the power of dividends. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, with Warren Buffett's strategy, it's closer than you think. But before we dive in further, let's hit that subscribe button for more investment tips like this. Thank you for your support. Meet Ben, a young professional living paycheck to paycheck. Despite working tirelessly, he feels trapped in a never-ending cycle of financial strain, always wondering if there's a way out. Ben's bank account is basically a barren desert with tumbleweeds of regret rolling by. He's so broke, he considers monopoly money a significant asset. While scrolling through his phone, because what else is there to do when you're broke, Ben stumbles upon an article. Can $50 make you rich in 2024? Here's what Warren Buffett thinks. With his last $50 begging for a purpose, Ben wonders if this is his golden ticket or just another online scam. Cue Sarah, the financial guru, with a side of sass. Honey, she chuckles, even Warren started somewhere. Though, probably not with $50. She throws in a Buffett quote. Risk comes from not knowing what you're doing. Ben nods, thinking, well, I'm risking my last $50, so here goes nothing. Remember, she says, it's not about the amount you start with, it's about smart investing. She cites Buffett's principles and adds, even a small amount, wisely invested, can grow significantly over time. Empowered by Sarah's advice, Ben decides to embark on his investment journey with just $50 in hand, using Buffett's 2023 winning streak as inspiration. Ben's buddies react with skepticism. $50, huh? Planning to buy a whole candy bar empire? The 2024 market, being as stable as a unicycle on a tightrope, gives Ben some serious jitters. Discovering Buffett's 2024 playbook, Ben feels like he's cracked the Da Vinci Code, or at least figured out why chicken nuggets come in packs of 10 when you clearly need 20. Emphasizing the blend of old wisdom with new strategies. Could this be the key to his success? As the market does its wild dance, Ben's investments feel more like a roller coaster designed by a mad scientist. Is this how Buffett felt? Ben wonders, mainly because he's now talking to himself. Doubt creeps in, and he contemplates pulling out, fearing he'll lose everything. Remembering Buffett's timeless advice, Ben remains patient. He identifies sustainable companies with promising futures, integrating technology smartly, and positioned for long-term growth. Taking a deep breath, and possibly a shot of espresso, if Buffett can pivot, so can Ben. As 2024 progresses, Ben's patience pays off. His $50 investment sees modest growth, but more importantly, it reaffirms Buffett's philosophy. Invest wisely and think long-term. Ben doesn't become a millionaire overnight, but he gains invaluable knowledge, experience, and a foundation for future endeavors. By year-end, Ben's investment not only preserves his initial $50 but also grows by a respectable margin. Ben's journey may not have landed him on Forbes's front page, but more importantly, he gained knowledge and a newfound respect for the world of investing. Armed with his experiences and Buffett's wisdom, Ben's perspective shifts. He starts saving more, investing smartly, and begins mentoring others. Ben's transformation is epic. From broke to slightly less broke but way wiser, he's now the go-to guy for financial wisdom at family gatherings. Years later, Ben looks back at 2024 as a pivotal year. While $50 didn't make him rich in the traditional sense, it enriched him with invaluable lessons, insights, and a foundation for a brighter financial future. As Buffett once said, the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. While $50 might not make you an overnight millionaire, with the right mindset, strategy, and guidance, it can set you on a path to financial freedom. As we venture into 2024 and beyond, let's remember Ben's journey, Buffett's wisdom, and the transformative power of smart investing. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more weekly investment wisdom. Thanks for watching.